In today's data-rich world, raw numbers alone often fail to resonate. Data storytelling transforms complex information into understandable narratives. It bridges the gap between analysis and action. This approach makes insights memorable and impactful. It helps audiences grasp the significance of your findings. Effective communication is key to driving decisions. A compelling data story combines three essential elements. First, you need reliable and relevant data. This forms the foundation of your message. Second, a clear narrative structure is crucial. This guides your audience through the information. It provides context and meaning to the numbers. Third, a strong message or insight must be conveyed. This is the "so what" of your data. It answers why your audience should care. Before crafting any story, know who you are speaking to. Consider their existing knowledge and their interests. Tailor your message to their specific needs. What questions do they need answered? What actions do you want them to take? Understanding your audience ensures your story is relevant and impactful. Every good story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Start by setting the scene and introducing the problem or question. This hooks your audience's attention. Next, present your data points as evidence. Show how they reveal patterns or trends. This builds the case for your insights. Finally, deliver your key insight and propose a solution or recommendation. Conclude with a clear call to action. This empowers your audience to act. The goal is clarity, not complexity. Avoid overwhelming your audience with too much detail. Focus on the most critical data points that support your narrative. Use plain language to explain technical concepts. Break down complex ideas into digestible pieces. Simplicity enhances understanding and retention. Highlight key trends and outliers. Explain what these patterns mean in practical terms. Make the data accessible to everyone. Data without context is just numbers. Provide the necessary background information for your audience. Explain why certain data points are significant. Compare current findings to past performance or industry benchmarks. This adds depth and perspective to your insights. Context makes your story more credible. It helps your audience understand the implications of the data. It answers the why behind the what. Context transforms data into knowledge. The ultimate purpose of data storytelling is to drive action. Your story should inspire your audience to make informed decisions. It should lead to tangible outcomes. Clearly articulate the implications of your findings. Explain what needs to be done next. Empower your audience with actionable insights. A well-told data story doesn't just present facts. It persuades, informs, and motivates. It transforms data into a powerful tool for change. Data storytelling is an essential skill in today's world. It allows you to communicate complex insights effectively. By combining data, narrative, and clear messaging, you can unlock the true power of your information. Mastering this skill will elevate your communication. It will enable you to influence decisions and drive meaningful impact. Start telling your data stories today.